Y'all ready for this?
Hello, thank you for taking a few minutes to learn about the 9th grade course selection process.
Let's walk through each section of the scheduling worksheet and discuss some tips to consider.
First, remember to fill out the top of the form completely with legible writing. List an email address that you do use and you do check, just in case your RUHS counselor decides to call upon you during the spring or during the summer. All 9th graders must take English, math, physical education, science, and most importantly, 2 electives.
Please note that there is a section to enroll in 7 classes with a 0 period, which requires parent signature. There aren't that many 0 period classes you can take with the exception of marching band. If you're trying to take 7 courses, placement in a 0 period is not guaranteed. Sometimes our counselors say not to take 7 courses because it's overwhelming and you want to have a manageable schedule that you can be successful in freshman year.
In the English section, you have 2 choices, English 9, which is our standard English, or Honors English 9. Honors English is very writing intensive with an emphasis on critical thinking and analysis. Please talk with your current English teacher about your current academic progress. It is really important to know that classes do fill up and you may not be able to change the level of your English class in August. So choose wisely and gather information before making your choice.
In the math section, students currently in Math A move in Algebra 1. Students in Algebra 1 move into Geometry.
Remember 8th grade middle school grades count toward the class you can take in 9th grade, determine you are eligible or not. Our counselors in RUHS will look at your end of year math grade. If you do not meet the prerequisite for your certain math course, your counselor will change your 9th grade math course. See the course catalog for course prerequisites.
It is critical to have a good foundation in math before you advance to a higher level. If you have been in the C range for math, you might want to talk to your teacher or family on what is best for you. Some students decide to repeat the classes because they'd rather be safe than sorry. You don't want to advance too quickly on your freshman year and have a bad start.
In the science section, you have 2 choices, biology and biology honors. If you do not want biology honors, choose biology now. If you love science, we recommend biology honors. If you want a challenge, can persevere and do not get discouraged. If you take honors science in 9th and 10th grade, it will be preparing you for AP science in 11th and 12th grade, which is college level.
Only take an honors class if you have time to dedicate after school for all the work that they give you.
Physical education. All 9th graders must sign up for one of the below PE courses even if you plan to try out for a sport. PE 9, ROTC, or marching band. If you try out for a sport and make the roster by August, counselors will change your course, dropping the PE 9 class and adding your sport. Counselors will only add a student to the sports team if they are on the official roster submitted by the coach. In the meantime, you must select one of the choices listed on the scheduling worksheet. If you leave this box blank, you will be placed in PE 9.
All 9th graders must select 2 and only 2 electives from these lists below, such as Culinary Arts and Intro to Engineering. If you don't get those choices, you want to make sure you write 2 alternative electives required.
When selecting foreign language, remember, a good foundation is critical for advancing to 2nd or 3rd year foreign language.
Students and families, please make sure to take 9th grade course selection seriously and make informed choices. Thank you for your time.
Y'all ready for this?